Gold Eagle Actual, Shadow 1 is weapons hot. We're burning daylight here.
Copy, Graves. Stand by. Laswell, do we have confirmation?
Watcher 1 to Bravo 07. You in position?
Nearly there. Got a heli incoming.
That's General Ghorbrani.
Right on time. Now get up there and let's see what he's up to in the middle of nowhere.
I'm eyes on.
What do you see?
Armed personnel, armor and hardware. All Russian.
What the hell are the Russians doing with Ghorbrani?
Supply in Iran. It's an arms deal.
You copying this, Shadow 1?
Affirmative. 2 birds, 1 stone.
We need positive ID on Ghorbrani before we kick this off, boys.
Ghost, can you identify the general?
Armed escorts around 1 VIP. Russians are very happy to see him.
It'll be the last time they do.
Visual on General Ghorbrani.
Copy. All stations, target confirmed.
Shadow 1, you are cleared hot for launch.
Roger that, Actual.
Ghost, you are danger close to the zone. This arrow's gonna pack a punch.
Copy approved. Send it.
All stations, Shadow 1. Missile is ready for immediate delivery.
Stand by for launch. Coordinates in. Target designated. 2,
1. Shot out! Missile in blue.
Target acquired. This will take some manual guidance to hold her. Missile bearing northeast 065 degrees at Mach 3. Altitude 500 meters.
Right in the pocket. Stay with it.
Jackson coming in hot. Race for impact. 5 seconds. Termination in 3, 2, 1.
Fucking hell. Direct. Target destroyed.
Come in. Laswell.
General Shepard.
Oh, I know that look. Are we at war?
You would be the first to know, sir.
Damn right I would. Talk to me.
We have a hit on Ghorbrani's second in command.
Hassan Zyani, Quds Force Major.
He's taken up the mantle for Iran.
Supplying terrorists.
Money, weapons, intel.
Well, he's ambitious.
He's dangerous, sir. He wants retaliation for the Ghorbrani strike. He's planning something.
Well, we can't take him in Iran.
He's not in Iran, sir. He's on the ground in Al-Mazrah.
What the hell is he doing in Al-Mazrah?
There is only one way to find out, sir.
Well, let's get him.
When?
What time is it now?
Who do we send?
Wheels up in 5.
Roger.
Marines are loading in now. You and the sergeant are leading the way on this.
Sergeant.
So, McTavish.
Let's get ourselves a win, yeah, LT? Save your seat, sir.
Fucking hell.
Ghost, you copy?
Yes, sir.
Any issues?
Negative, sir. Out here.
Airstrikes are hitting enemy positions bordering Al-Mazrah. Intel confirms a concentration of AQ fighters converging in the valley. We believe they're protecting something. Surveillance indicates soldiers guarding 3 structures. Major Hassan may be holed up inside. Ghost and Soap will lead a Marine Special Operations unit to kill or capture Hassan tonight. 1 Helo will insert 2 teams at separate offset points bordering the target area. Bravo team will sweep and clear buildings 1 and 2. Alpha team takes building 3. All shooters have execute authority, but we want Hassan alive for interrogation. Be advised, Major Hassan is AQ's lifeline. If he is there, they will die for him. Good hunting.
Bravo team offloads here. Alpha team stays on board to land downrange. Both teams meet in the middle. Remember, we want Hassan alive, but this is capture or kill. Keep up, Soap.
Razor 1, all Bravo deployed. Secondary HL.
All stations, Razor 1 is bracketed. We're getting lit. Incoming! Flares! Flares!
Second missile!
Razor 1 going down! We're going down!
Alpha, what's your status? Alpha, how copy?
Bravo! Alpha is immobile. Multiple critical. Shit! We're taking effective fire!
Alpha, we're moving to building 1. Hold tight.
Ghost, we need to secure that crash site now.
First we clear for Hassan. That takes the heat off Alpha. Then we secure the crash site. Clear?
Roger that.
Let's move. Force up to the house. Retrap. Swing through!
First take clear. Negative on Hassan.
Rog.
Contact! Building 2!
No way out. All Bravo, move on building 2.
All stations! Crash site is taking rocket fire from building 2! Second deck! Alpha, taking building 2 now. Hold fast.
Seven 1, moving interior.
Pushing up to second deck.
7-1 moving to second deck.
أنا رايح من ده. أخي، اقتل كل واحد بيمر من هون. From here! Come in!
There's one in that hallway.
Ghost, enemy rockets down.
Solid copy. Good work.
If the world courts do not punish these war criminals, we will take matters at the time and place.
Ghost, building 2 secure.
Roger. Can't see the crash site.
Got a video of Hassan in here.
Hassan's their hero.
They're gonna need a new hero.
You good, mate?
Yeah, plate stopped it. These are fuckers that hit Alpha.
Aye. Now we can secure the crash site.
All Bravo, circle up outside.
Ghost, Soap. AQ's working with some good gear.
We're moving to the crash site to help the wounded. Rest of you, hold here and cover us. Raj. Alpha 02, Bravo 07, building 2 secure. We're coming to you. Alpha copies all. Expect contact. AQ's waiting for us.
Blue, blue! Good to see you guys. We got 5 KIA, 1 wounded. Just my gun. I'm low on ammo. Help me move him. No time. They're here. Get your gun on that tree line. You see anything?
Got movement.
If you have a shot, take it. Shit. How many are there? I'm ready to light these fuckers up. Do it. Fuck! Get your gun up! You called the LT. Enemy down! Right flank! Secure the ramp!
We clear? For now. Stay sharp on that tree line.
They're still moving out there!
7-6, call for fire. I want close air on that tree line.
Raj, calling it in.
Dig in, lads. We're not done yet.
07, CAS is 3 minutes out.
Roger that. Air support's inbound.
Hey, we got smoke at the tree line!
No visual.
Yeah, I don't see shit. Incoming! Take cover! Come on, grenades! Stand down! He's dead. Keep your gun in the fire. Pick him up!
No movement.
You good, Soap?
I'm good.
2-3 got hit. He's gone.
7-2, I need you up here now.
Raj, moving.
Ghost, we should fall back to the house.
Negative. We hold or we push forward. Hassan's still out there.
7-6, patches through to air support. Raj, stand by.
7 actual, Kilo 01. Fire is 1 mic out.
Kilo 01, you're cleared hot on anything forward of our position. Danger close approved.
Roger that.
Shit, what now?
LT, we got armored vehicles incoming. There's 4 of them.
Conserve your ammo. Let them get close.
Here they come.
Stand by to engage.
Get ready.
Calm down.
All Bravo. Kilo 01 is inbound high. Danger close.
Air support's on station.
Engaging secondary.
Kilo 01, gun hit! Gun hit!
We clear? Fucking hope so. All clear.
Kilo 01, no movement in the area. Thanks for the assist.
Roger that, 7-6. Kilo 01, going into holding pattern.
7-6. Task a bird for casualty evac.
Raj,
Get yourself sorted. Hassan is still the target.
Aye. Let's go get this fucker.
Alpha, you're with us. Roger that, Lieutenant. Let's move out.
keep near, lads.
Those fuckers used us as bait, didn't they?
They're well supplied and fighting smart. Thanks to Hassan.
Aye. Looks like you were right, LT. You think Hassan
crash gave them an opening. Let's see if they took it.
We're still on station.
Keep them on standby. We're moving in. Raj.
Visual on building 3.
Man down.
AQ sniper on the roof. Get down! Take out the shooter. Rest of you stay low until we're all clear.
Sniper down.
More snipers on the roof. Take them out. Who's hit?
7-4 is down.
How the fuck are they seeing us?
AQ's got night vision. We're sitting ducks out here.
Got another.
Shot. Son, keep it up. Moving out.
AQ's pressing hard. If Hassan's not here, what the hell is?
Getting shoot up out here!
We're not getting through here without air support!
More fire on that building now! How the fuck are they seeing us?
AQ's got night vision. We're sitting ducks out here.
Got another.
Shot. Son, keep us covered. We're moving out.
AQ's stuck in here. Whatever they're defending is fucking big.
Getting shoot up out here! We're not getting through here without air support! 7-6, I want fire on that building now!
Ghost, you don't know if Hassan's in there.
They're forcing our hand. 7-6, hit that building, but don't level it!
Kilo 01, call for fire. Target is in the building ahead of us. Do not level the building.
7-6, copy that. Making our run.
Force up to that wall! Move! Glorious sight.
Christ for air support.
Yeah, hope Hassan's still in one piece.
Easier to find anyway.
All Bravo, move up. I want this building locked down. Lead us in, Sergeant. Let's find Hassan, dead or alive.
7-1, moving interior.
Check the bodies. We need positive ID on Hassan.
Got one.
Anyone have eyes on Hassan?
Negative on Hassan.
Negative. No eyes on the HVT.
Starting my sweep on the first deck. Negative. None of these guys are.
They're eliminated. Kill confirmed.
Pushing first deck.
Heading up to the second deck.
Pushing to second deck.
Got 2 X-rays. Not Hassan.
الذين اغتالوا قائدنا الشجاع.
Hassan's everywhere.
Everywhere but here. Smoke one. Heads up, lads. Sneaky little gets are everywhere. One iced.
He was here. This is a bloody op center. Poke around, Soap.
Look, Hassan's uniform. So he was here.
Lost him when we secured the crash site.
Are you saying we shouldn't have helped?
Choices have consequences.
All Bravo, we got movement out here.
On the way. All Bravo, circle up outside.
If Hassan's gone, then what the hell are they still protecting?
Bloody good question.
What we got? A warehouse. Roll-up doors open. Heard something inside.
Copy. Let's clear it.
Contact!
Clear?
All clear.
Search it. Let's find what they were hiding.
Al-Qatala's got some serious shit in here.
This warehouse wasn't on the intel.
What the fuck is this?
It's all in English.
Steaming Jesus.
Ballistic missiles.
It's a mobile launcher.
These will go 1,000 miles. Yeah, at least.
How the hell did Iran get their hands on this?
7-6. Get us through to Laswell.
Roger, stand by. Bravo 7-6 Charlie to Watcher 1. How copy?
This is Watcher 1, send traffic.
Laswell, this is Ghost. We got something.
Tell me you found Hassan.
Ghost. Take a look at this.
Ghost, do you have Hassan?
Negative. We found a weapons cache. Hassan's got missiles. They're American.
07, this is Gold Eagle Actual. Repeat your last.
I'll say again. Hassan has American missiles.
All right, clear the room. Let's go. Everybody out, now. Iran is in possession of American missiles.
American missiles in AQ's hands.
Hassan has been passing out our ballistic missiles like it's fucking Halloween, and we didn't know about it?
Gives Iran plausible deniability.
Oh, deniability my ass. Iran's all over this. I want to know how many they have and where they intend to use them.
If Hassan is moving missiles, he has a smuggling partner.
Well, then I would advise you to find out who that is.
Give my team 2 hours with those missiles, sir. I will know everybody who's ever breathed on them.
Negative. I want them destroyed.
General, there's valuable intel there.
This is an intelligence failure, Laswell. It's not going to be a tactical one. There will be 500 enemy soldiers on that site by sunrise. We need a win fast. Gold Eagle Actual to Ghost. Move your team and call for fire. I want those weapons destroyed.
Roger that, Actual.
Amsterdam.
What the hell's Amsterdam got to do with this?
It's a smuggling hub. Ports and canals are insecure. Iran has friends there. We do too.
Who?
The captain. He's tracking an AQ cell in country as we speak.
Well, that's the first good news I've heard all day.
I'll link up with him and handle this myself, sir.
Kate Laswell back in the field?
I want this done right. No mistakes.
My sentiments exactly. Kate, I want Hassan boxed up and gift wrapped. Until then, you keep this tight.
Naturally, sir.
What's your ETA?
Less than an hour. Where are you now?
Canals. Under a bridge, watching an AQ boat.
Is it carrying a missile container?
Negative. Not this one.
Well, let's hope it leads to the one that does.
I'll be in touch. Guys, you set?
Good day, Cap.
Let's get after it. Right, that's where we're in position.
Copy, John. What do you got?
Got AQ loading cargo into a barge.
That's your target. Get aboard and find out who they're working with.
Rudge. Sentries on the perimeter.
Yeah, AQ guards all over the docks.
You'll need to take them out to get to the barge. You two get to work. Out.
All right, let's split up. I'll say the outside. You clean up the docks. Stay quiet. I'll meet you at the barge.
Check. On you, Cap.
Nice see that.
One more on the first pier. Start with him.
Enemy down.
Good work, Sergeant. Any AQ left alive could be trouble. Kill him quiet. Work our way to the barge. Let's get this done.
Captain, I got a gun.
Go easy with him.
I'm topside.
Don't stay up there for long. Don't get compromised.
One down.
Keep it up.
Watch your 1 to Bravo. Give me a sit rep.
Working our way to the barge. Burying Alcatala at sea.
Get in there as soon as you can. We may not have much time, John.
That patrol boat needs attention. They're using grenades in the water. Watch your ass.
AQ down.
Stay on it. Guys, you right? Guys, that patrol boat could be a problem.
dock. One down.
Good work, Sergeant. Looks like they lost you, Sergeant. Keep your guard up.
Clear.
Let's get onto that barge. Right with you, Sergeant. Gates locked. On me. Laswell, we're about to board.
Copy. Tell me what you find.
Roger. Out. Listen. Spanish.
Sounds like it.
You said?
Good to go.
Look at this. That's Almas. Mexican cartel.
What the hell are they doing here?
Laswell, around using the cartel for transport.
Give me a name, John.
Las Almas.
Hassan's working with narcos.
Stand by. Barges all narcos.
More cartel. All clear. It's his phone. Cartel's meeting with AQ.
Laswell, find Cafe Gracht. Something's about to go down.
When?
1 hour. Bravo 6 to Watcher 1. Position at the cafe. 2 of the tables at my 3 o'clock. 1 cartel, 1 Iranian.
How cozy. What are they up to?
Conducting a transaction.
Electronically.
Affirm.
They're paying the cartel for something.
Let's figure out what.
Security?
Several.
I'll deal with them.
Well, don't take all the fun, eh?
Copy. Coming your way now.
Syringe.
Poison?
Non-lethal. It'll take him out of commission.
CIA shit.
Welcome to my world. Use the needle on the guards and we roll up our cartel friend.
And you?
Exfil. Say when.
Roger that.
06, sitrep.
Talking timeline.
When are they moving?
Tonight.
Stay on them. We need to know what it is and where it's going.
Copy.
Hold up. 2 cartel guards under the bridge.
Got a visual.
Keep your weapons concealed. Let's see if they split up. Okay, one's leaving.
Heading my way.
I'll tail him.
I'll take the one at the bridge.
Moving.
Oh, easy, mate. One too many, huh? Guards down. Bridge is clear.
Good work. Regroup on me.
What you want? The cargo is human. 1 VIP bound for the US.
Who, John?
Major Hassan Zayani.
Christ. That means he's in Mexico.
Means it's time to stop him.
We need to roll up our cartel friend for a talk. Now.
If Hassan gets a missile anywhere near the US, there'll be a death toll.
Guards down. Bridge is clear.
Good work. Regroup on me.
What you want? The cargo is human. One VIP bound for the US.
Who, John?
Major Hassan Zyani.
Christ. That means he's in Mexico.
Means it's time to stop him.
We need to roll up our cartel friend for a talk. Now.
If Hassan gets a missile anywhere near the US, there'll be a death toll.
What's the call? There's guards all over him.
We haven't scouted the area. There could be more guards.
There's no time to case the area, John. We need a distraction.
I've got something. Meet. Take it.
The bloody hell is this?
Decoy grenade. It will work. Get back to Laswell. Let's keep.
Down the alley.
When panic starts to spread, that's when the cartel moves him.
That's where I come in.
Guys, the guards are incoming. Take one, I'll get the other.
Roger. Guards are down. Heading your way, Cap.
Make it fast.
I'll secure Exville.
Meet you at the bridge.
I'm moving in. Shut your mouth. Follow me. What you want? Packet secure. Heading your way.
Copy.
Cartel behind us!
Cover, Sergeant! What you want? We're taking fire. 3 hostiles to our south.
Copy. I'm inbound. Be advised, police are on the way. 3 minutes out.
Clear.
Guys, bring the syringe. Jabbing. Let's get him up. Watch out. Time to move.
Copy. On my way.
Get him in.
Nice work.
You too.
We need to find where they're moving Hassan and intercept him.
Yeah, we'll wake him up. Have a little chat.
How do we know we'll talk?
I can be very persuasive. Colonel Vargas.
Station Chief Laswell. I thought we were on a first-name basis. This must be serious.
It is. I need your help, Alejandro.
Dime.
The Las Almas cartel is smuggling an Iranian terrorist over the border.
Laswell. Terrorists don't cross the southern border.
We know that, and they know that, and that is exactly why they're gonna do it. I need you to stop it.
Who's my target?
Major Hassan Zyani.
Copy. When?
Tonight.
Tapped into a surveillance drone. Eyes on. Got movement down there, Alejandro.
Migrants are in the water. Border Patrol's responding.
Narcos use the migrants as a distraction. They could be moving Hassan as we speak.
Copy. Where's FBI on this?
FBI's an hour out. Right now, you're all we got.
Stand by. Rodolfo, los migrantes son una distracción. El sujeto está en movimiento.
Parece que cruzaron el río en una lancha. Vamos a buscarlos.
Órale. Rode, Watcher.
Alejandro, do not let Hassan cross the border.
Solid copy. Out.
Si cruzan la frontera, güey, no tenemos jurisdicción.
Nos encargaremos de que no pase.
Mira, coronel. Ahí, hacia el norte.
Esa es su lancha. Párate aquí. Escucha. El cartel está moviendo rápido a Hassan.
Todavía lo podemos agarrar antes de que crucen.